Are you serious? Are you serious? More than 1,000 drivers are stranded in Colorado Springs, Colorado, as Governor Polis has declared a definite state of emergency in an insane snow blizzard called the bomb cyclone. Perhaps it's paralyzing the Front Range there in Colorado. Matter of fact, we were in Colorado Springs last year. We held a conference there. I think it was last April. Beautiful place to be and wonderful people. But man, they are right now in an absolute insane blizzard called the bomb cyclone. 1,000 drivers. Snow driven by winds approaching 100 miles an hour, straight line winds. Blizzard snow, whiteouts. It has shut down schools, highways, interstates, air travel, trains, businesses. And Pikes Peak region yesterday, leaving more than 1,000 cars stranded, awaiting rescue in the intensified bomb cyclone blizzard in Colorado. The rapidly intensifying storm, known as the bomb cyclone, caused whiteout conditions for drivers caught in the fury and prompted the governor of Colorado to call out a National Guard and El Paso County police to declare an emergency. Officials pleaded with people to stay home, stay off the roads. They begged people. And more people on the road, the higher likelihood of crashes. And the Colorado State Patrol warned people were sliding off roads, crashing into one another, stranded in the deep snow, couldn't see. It was just insane what took place, and the storm right now is, as forecast, with heavy rains earlier yesterday, turned into snow in the late morning, and by the afternoon, it was insane. The winds at 97 miles an hour. At 1:20 p.m. yesterday afternoon in the Colorado Springs airport, which canceled more than 40 flights. Also, it was hurricane winds with a Colorado twist to it. As the wind roared, the snow piled up across the region. 6 inches here, 10 inches over there. And drifting, blowing, whiteout snow conditions of blizzard of biblical proportion. Even before the storm hit, schools, churches, synagogues, local government buildings, all were waving the white flag. Stay home, shut it down, don't do this. Are you serious? Announcing that they didn't plan to open anything up on Wednesday, but still didn't understand the true ramifications of this snowy manifestation that took place in Colorado Springs, Colorado. The brunt of the storm was felt in northeast Colorado Springs, north to Denver, where for only the fourth time in history, Denver's international airport had to shut down all 6 runways, and drivers trying to get home around midday and into the evening were brought to a standstill by blowing snow that reduced visibility not to car lengths but to inches. Folks couldn't see that. You couldn't see your hand in front of your face. No way could you be driving a vehicle in these conditions. You could never even see the car in front of you until it was too late. You would hit them. It was insane. And guys, seriously, pray for the people of Colorado. This one is bad. I can tell you that while all this is going on, what's really strange, there's an all-out points bulletin. Everybody's looking for the groundhog who said that there was going to be an early spring. His 6 weeks are up, guys. And are you serious? And here in Indiana, this is really weird. Today, it's going to be 67 degrees. Tomorrow, it's going to snow. What? Extreme weather conditions of a biblical proportion. And you don't want to miss today's live broadcast, as I've got more info to bring forward, as well as my show today starts at 12 noon Eastern. And then tonight, we need some answers. Mike from around the world is going to be joining us to talk about the 5 waves of energy and how Nibiru, Planet X, and the slow, I should say it this way, the slow, soft disclosure. That's right. Soft disclosure is going on now in the media by scientists and by astronomers, people out there about Planet X. The info's coming. These straight line winds. Look at this. 100-mile-an-hour winds in Colorado Springs in a blizzard in mid-March, and 100-mile-an-hour winds in Logan, New Mexico, blowing a train off the tracks and blowing semis over on their sides off the interstate like little toy trucks. I mean, are you serious? What? Something biblical is going on. But Mike around the world told us that the straight line winds would really increase as the jet stream is being pushed down. And the reason it's being pushed down, the heavy waves of energy, the gravitational pull, the waves of energy are forcing our atmosphere down closer to us on the surface, creating these extraordinary extreme wind conditions. I'll be back with more, guys. Don't miss today's live broadcast at 12 noon Eastern. Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you saved?